Hi everyone, this is Jennifer and we're Facebook Live from Doylestown Veterinary Hospital and Holistic Pet Care. So let's take a look in. We've done some renovations recently and it looks beautiful, and so we're all set to take care of everybody. Let's go ahead in. Hi everybody, here we are at Doylestown Veterinary Hospital and Holistic Pet Care, and I'd like to introduce you to Dr. Laura Weiss.
Hi there.
Hi. Dr. Weiss, tell us all about a little bit of these renovations and how it relates to Holistic Pet Care.
So our goal in renovating this space, which is this beautiful late 1700s, early 1800s building, you can see this was the original hearth here and fireplace, was to keep it in line with how we operate as a practice. Our goal is for your pet and for you to feel really comfortable coming in. I don't want you to feel like you're coming into a sterile environment with funny smells that make your dog or cat feel nervous. So it's more like a home. You can see there's running water and there's plants, and we try to keep the materials natural.
Hi, Jamie.
Stone and wood.
Hi.
Oh, this is Jamie, one of our star client care specialists. So let me take you down the hallway here and show you one of our newest spaces. Watch your head.
Yep.
Joys
That's
of an
what's
old
beautiful.
house.
I know, it's so gorgeous.
You can see in this exam room there's a fireplace that, of course, we had to board up. We didn't want any escapees going up.
Yeah. Cat and a chimney wouldn't be a good idea.
And this was a room we just added on. You can see the lath from outside space, and if you come on in, the stone wall as well. And we were looking to create a space which has been open only for about a week or so now, where we could really focus on some of the holistic modalities that we offer. So the practice over the last few years has added acupuncture. We do a lot of work with nutritional counseling, both just for wellness as well as for specific disease problems. We've always focused on pain control and multimodal pain control, including using cold laser therapy, which is fantastic for injuries or chronic knee problems or hip problems. We have one doctor, Dr. David McDonald, who also works with Chinese herbal medicine, which is really good for some chronic problems especially. And I, in the last couple of years, have finished up certification in homeopathy, which is a very different modality that helps the patient by stimulating their own body and immune system to take control rather than just suppressing the signs of clinical disease that we see. So it's wonderful in emergency short-term situations and shines even more in long-term chronic problems such as cats that have urinary disorders or inflammatory bowel disease. And we often combine that modality with nutrition to really go hand in hand. So this space, we felt, and our clients and our patients have seemed to agree with us, really echoed that feeling of we're not just giving vaccines, we're not just giving a prescription for a pill, we're really getting to know the patient and the client and the family and their interactions. Oh, you can hear one of our littlest patients right now. That's a little Yorkie. It's a family of 3 Yorkies, actually.
Oh my gosh. Listen how cute they are. They sound a little excited. Biscuits.
We have some dachshunds outside I can see too. We're excited by that noise as well. So this space is just super, and actually right now we're all
beautiful.
All the doctors are kind of fighting over this space because everybody wants to come into it and use it. It really feels like it's literally a step down and a step apart from the standard clinical practice.
And that must make it nice for like acupuncture and some of the other quieter.
It is. We have
older
patients,
dogs and
small
cats.
patients we curl up on the table here, but we can fold that table up out of the way. And larger patients, we just bring either a towel or a comforter in on the floor, and they lay down and they relax. And there's so much natural light coming in, and it feels like they're in their living room. It doesn't feel like they're at the hospital.
Yeah. I want a doctor like this.
I think that's what a massage
everybody
therapist.
Yeah, there you go.
We need the lower lights. lights and the soothing music.
There you go. Yeah, so no, this is great. So for people who enjoy that type of care for themselves, they can now find that in a practice in Central Bucks, where everything from conventional medicine
Absolutely.
to holistic medicine is offered.
Absolutely. We certainly, the mainstay of the practice is still conventional medicine. And we regard the holistic modalities that we offer not as simply an alternative, but as an integrated part of that conventional practice. You still need to protect your puppies and kittens with vaccines, but we've lengthened the interval on all of the vaccines, especially some of the core vaccines like the distemper combination vaccine for dogs. We now have a 5-year dating on that vaccine.
Great.
So it's a way of looking at using the best of both worlds. We do lots of surgery, we do lots of dental care. We have very modern facilities for doing that and taking digital dental x-rays and full radiology and laboratory suite here. But in addition, to those things, which is what we all, I think, have sort of thought about for the last 50 years as standard either human medicine or veterinary medicine, we recognize that wellness isn't just about getting a vaccine every year and getting your teeth clean when they look yucky. It's really more about preventing disease. It's about allowing the body to help in the healing process. And it's about supporting through means which are very gentle and very low intervention. And when you put those two together, you get happy patients.
Great. Terrific. So if anybody is interested in learning more about our holistic offerings and would like to make an appointment, would like to make an appointment, please give us a call at 215-345-6000 and we'll get you in to see one of our doctors. Thanks so much for joining us this Facebook Live, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.